Okay guys, quick Katana video. I woke up this morning to a smell of gas throughout my whole house, so that was fantastic. So I came to check out the garage, and what do you know, the Katana was leaking. There was a huge flood of gas. You can probably see the outline kind of around the base of it and all that stuff. So I'm like, oh boy. I just filled up the whole gas tank. It's about a 5.5 gallon gas tank. So it's completely full when I got done with my ride the other day. So yeah, so what I did, I went and bought a huge gas tank, drained it so I could pull it off, and I'll show you what I found. Okay, so I think I figured out two problems. Lift up the gas tank. Okay, I sure hope you can see this. If not, just take my word for it, please. The overflow hose. So at first I thought the gas was leaking directly from the petcock. I felt gas coming from it, but I also felt gas along the foam bottom of the gas tank, which also goes up to the overflow hose, which I thought was funky. And it come to find out, I believe that the overflow hose is leaking. This rubber's old. Is it a 19-year-old bike? 2001, about 19 years old. I'm assuming it's the original rubber. It just goes on and off real easily. If you can see that. There's no sort of hose clamp or anything on it. So I'm assuming it was leaking out of the hose and going onto the rubber and then leaking down the side. I don't know why it just started doing that. I'm assuming the pressure of a full gas tank it couldn't take it anymore and started leaking out. I also came to the conclusion that I think the aftermarket cap I have doesn't have enough of a, what do you call that, pressure release. So I'll show you, I'm going a little closer. So this is how I had it on the bike. Had it like that. There's one little tiny pressure hole right there. On the bike, the 3, 2, 1. Which hole is it? The one little pressure vent is up here. So I'm assuming that I should have it like this, allowing the vent to be closer to the original hole. So, looking in a little bit. Yeah, so there's the original hole. I had the vent over here, which if you see that little nub right there, I'm assuming that was probably pushing up against the vent on this and just kind of counteracting any sort of venting capabilities it was doing. So both of those mixed together was probably not doing me any good. So my current goal right now is to move this around so that the vent is in the right spot. Actually, I was wrong. So the vent hole is right there. That's a screw hole. Vent hole, screw hole, screw hole, screw hole, screw hole. So I'm gonna go this way. Well, now that I'm feeling inside the hole, it does not line up right. Doggone it. Okay, so up and down with the vent hole at the top fits the best. It's not even like, this hole should have been slightly bigger and up a little bit. But this seems to be the best. Yeah, that's what you get when you buy eBay stuff. Well, hopefully the hole will not be blocked by this, and it will be a little closer, so fingers crossed. Okay. It is on. Can't say I'm happy with it. Fit so much better in the hole the other way, but you know, when in Rome, do what the Romans do and just deal with it. Onto the hole in the bottom of the sea. I'm gonna just do a zip tie. Yep, I can already see it leaking. So I'm going to do a handy dandy zip tie. Alright, so I zip tied it. We're gonna see if it leaks any more gas. If it does, we're screwed. If it doesn't, we're not screwed. Please don't leak. Please don't leak. Okay, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'll post an update later on once I fill up the gas tank again, if it starts kapooing on the ground again or not. Wish me good luck. Thanks for checking out the video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you later. Bye.